Hi, my name is Anshya Khandelwal, and this is my submission for the Build a Free Prompt-Based Tutor Bot assignment. I have created a HawkingBot. As you can see, the picture of black hole is also here. This HawkingBot is an AI-powered tutor that provides detailed explanations about black holes and astrophysics. It also guides users through complex physics concepts and solve problems step by step. And you can ask the basic questions such like what is a black hole, how many types of black holes are there. So I just gave the basic instructions to the tutor bot, just like to provide if the user asks a question, then you should provide a multi-layered explanations like basic, intermediate, and advanced. And it should also ask the user to engage user and creating interactiveness, like would you like to know more about this in detail, would you like to know more about this topic by showing the visualizations and all. Then here also I have guided this, like if a user asks a random question, just like, hey, can you tell me about a dinosaur, or can you tell me about the Python language? So it should always say the user that this AI tutor bot is mostly for the black hole, and I can give you topics related to that. Not, I cannot tell you about the dinosaurs. So I have created this instruction also there, and we will see further in this video as we go ahead. Then here are some conversation starters like what is a black hole in simple terms? How does the time slow down near a black hole? Also, I have created this knowledge PDF, black hole study PDF, which is copy paste from the NASA's website, which I took the description and anatomy of the black hole. As you can see here, I just went to the NASA's website and searched about black hole, and I just gave this PDF to my tutor bot. Now let's jump into this. Before this, I'll just show you the basic prompts which I gave to this tutor bot and what does it reply like, hey. So it replied as, hey, how can I help you today? This bot is designed to explain everything about black holes from events, horizons to Hawking radiation. Would you like to start with an introduction or dive into a specific topic? So let's just dive here. So I'll just say, hey, how are you doing today? So here you can see the response, hey, how can I help you today? This bot is designed to explain about black holes. So we'll just dive in this. What is a black hole? So it just says here, like, great question. A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong, and just basic and the intermediate explanation and the advanced explanation. And it also asks the user, like, would you like to explore a specific aspect like time dilation near black holes or how they are detected, just to create engagement, user engagement, and create interactiveness between a user and a chat GPT bot. So this is also the personalized instruction which I gave to the tutor. Now I'll just ask a random question. So it just respond like, I'm here to help you learn about the black hole and astrophysics. I may not be able to discuss Python in detail, but I would be happy to explain concepts related to black holes. Now just let's just dive into the another question, like real world questions, like how does time slow down near a black hole? So it just says, great question, and give me the general relativity, Einstein's theory, and it's just give me the problem, like formulas also for this problem-based question. And let's just dive into one another question. Let's just ask, like, can you generate a quiz for me? Yeah, so here it just gave me the 10 black hole quiz questions, which also shows that it is very interactive bot. It can also give you like true and false, fill in the blanks. So these are some instructions which I gave to the bot. And here he can, and I can also ask about the visualization just here. Let's say if I tell the bot, like bot asks me, like, want a visualization? Would you like me to generate an image showing how space-time curves around a black hole? I just said yes, and it generated a image. Now, can you show a black hole's effect on space-time? Let's just ask him again. And let's just see what is the response. So it just says I can generate a real physics simulation, but I can create an illustration of how a black hole wraps space-time. So here you can see the visualization as well. So this creates a basic user engagement and interactiveness between the user and the bot, and tells you about black hole and the astrophysics, and makes you learn about like what is a black hole, what are types of black holes, the anatomy of the black holes. And I would also say, like, during while creating this bot, I also faced some challenges because when I did not give the proper instruction, like you have to give a personalized message like, hey, it's a great question. Or when a user asks a random question, then how does chat gpt would respond? So here is also one more document which I took, like, further, where I did not give the instruction. Like, I just said, hey, so it just said, how can I help? And when I said, tell me about Python, it just gave an answer like about the Python language and all. So I just gave the GPT instruction that when a user asks the random questions, then you should respond like, this bot is created mainly for black hole. So this was all. Thank you so much.